Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Victoria. If you are new, if you're not new, hey girl, hey boy, hey. Thanks for coming back and tuning in with me. Today I want to try something a little different with you guys. I love cooking. I love cooking for my family, and I want to incorporate that into my channel. So I was thinking maybe I could bring you guys with me. You can help me make dinner. I'll show you what I do. Because today we are making salmon croquettes. I know it's a little bit old school, but it is a favorite in our house. So I want to show you guys this really quick and easy recipe that I use. So if you're interested in what I am doing today, stay tuned and keep watching. First things first, if you're cooking in this house, you have wine. We make nothing without a good glass of wine. Next, we're gonna get our hands washed. I'm gonna gather all the ingredients. I'll go over them with you guys. And then we're gonna get this shit started. So, let go. Okay, so I've gathered all the ingredients and here's what we got. Atlantic salmon in water, it's fillet portions. It is boneless and skinless. It is from Sam's Club, so it's the Members Mark version. Do not let anybody, y'all ignore my refrigerator. Let's see where it is. Y'all know I got a child. We got all kind of stuff on there. But don't let anybody guilt you into thinking that you have to actually debone and skin. You don't need to do that. Oh my, it's trying to focus. Use this kind. It's easier. I have some paprika, of course. This salt, pepper, garlic, listen to me. If you're not using the blend salt, pepper, garlic mix, your life isn't right. This is the bomb from Sam's Club. Parsley flakes, some New Orleans Cajun seasoning, minced garlic, some lemon juice, some breadcrumbs, some milk, got some eggs over here, some lemon butter dill sauce. If you're not using this, your life isn't right. This is also really good on the shrimp burgers from Trader Joe's. Fire. Like, you need some of this. So let's get going. So first, we're gonna open up our salmon. And next, we are going to mash it up. I just got a fork, and you wanna make sure that you break it up as much as possible. Here, I am just quickly mashing up the salmon to get the consistency I'm looking for. And your ingredients don't have to go in any particular order since we're mixing everything in the same bowl. So once you feel like you got it broken up, you can have at it. So now I've got it mixed to a good little consistency. We add our ingredients. If you have, you know, obviously 2 cans, you do 2 eggs. I used 3 cans today. So I'm gonna use 3 eggs in here and just crack them in here, straight in. Madison's in here with me, so it's possible that you hear voice. You won't see it, that's what I meant. I don't measure out my seasoning at all. So it's really just whatever you feel. If you know, you know. You know. Paprika, salt, pepper, garlic. Baby, you need that. You need it. New Orleans Cajun seasoning, it's a must. It's a must. Parsley up in this thing. Ranch seasoning goes in there. Like, it just is what it is. So we're gonna put some of that in there. Dashes of lemon juice. A bit of the lemon butter garlic. Okay guys, I'm adding milk here. I do add a little bit more later, so let's just call it a 1/3 cup. Get that in there. Voiceover Victoria is back. I was rambling here. I normally use 2 cups of breadcrumbs, but I made my recipe a little bigger this time, so I was debating and I used 2.5 cups. Yeah, I think I need a smidge more milk, so maybe we should update to a 1/3 of a cup. Okay guys, so we are back. You can barely see my face, but you know I'm here. I have a cast iron skillet. I love to use it for things like this, so we're gonna go ahead and put it on a medium heat. This is an electric stove, so we go from 2 to high. Cook mine in olive oil, so this is, I think I got this from Aldi, just some olive oil. Oh guys, look at my cute little Black Girl Magic apron. Like, is she not fly as hell? Honestly, I love her. Amazon. Anyway, you're gonna put just enough in there to fry up. We don't need a lot for the croquettes. Have our bowl. And our wine. We need it. So while we're waiting, my family also wants some green beans. And that's not a part of it, but I gotta start those up. Alexa, play Have Mercy by Chloe. You don't get them cans fresh. Well, we're really just waiting on the grease to get hot. But I just put some butter, some lemon juice, the salt, pepper, garlic, some ranch seasoning, in here with the green beans. And listen, don't knock it till you try it. It's really good. Saute them up. I'll add some onions in there and they come out like literal perfection. They love it. We just had these green beans last night. They ate them up and I gotta make them again today. I think that is hot because it's starting to get crazy on me. So I just grab a little bit out of the bowl. Let's see if it'll focus on my wooden spoon, but the size obviously is up to you. Golden brown. I am back. So I'm holding the camera now, so it's a little janky, but excuse me. Wow, rude. It's the wine, y'all. Anyway, so I'm done. I plated the food. I want to show y'all before I bring my taste testers in, because y'all know Michael and Maddie are waiting. Okay, they're waiting. So let me show y'all real quick. This is what we're working with. So got 2 salmon croquettes. As you can see, they are perfect. I put a little bit of the lemon butter dill sauce in a saucer. Here are my sauteed green beans. They're delicious. So good. So let's bring in our taster so they can let y'all know if it's fire or not. Here we go. Can you give Daddy the fork first? Because you're trying to eat green beans. Just grab one with your finger.
Good like yesterday.
Can we see the inside of it?
Looks like what I did before. This time I won't drop mine.
Excellent as always.
These green beans are good like yesterday.
I'm gonna eat them too.
They're good.
So, oh, in the lemon butter sauce, the green bean?
Well, let me try.
That's steakhouse right there.
A1?
Yeah. I'm ready to eat. Cut that camera off.
Oh my gosh. Okay, guys. So, Michael's ready to eat. Thank you for tuning in. I appreciate you. If you like the content here, if you like everything that we have going on, don't hesitate. Go ahead. Hit the follow, hit the like, subscribe. Get your notifications on so you don't miss what we have in store. I appreciate you guys. I'll see you next time. Oh, I need to focus. Focus on me.